Hello friends, I'm CA Himesh. Welcome to the first video in the series of Finance and Accountancy. In this video, as you can see, we are going to talk about the basics, types, sources and opportunities in finance. Let's look at the basic section first. In this slide, we are going to talk about the basic question which comes to our mind when we talk about finance. First question is, what is finance? It is basically management of money. Managing could be by individuals, households, by governments, banks, corporates, and financial institutions. Next question is, why is finance required? To conduct any economic activity, finance is a must. It's like a backbone in humans. It is very difficult to undertake economic activity without finance. Imagine if you want to start a business, what is the first thing that you will require to commence transactions? It's finance. Now the next question is, what is the difference between finance and accounts? There are several times when the words finance and accounts are interchangeably used, but they both are not the same, and there is a difference in it. Basically, finance is a larger term than accounts. Accounts is a subset of finance. Finance deals with management of money, whereas accounts deals with recording of day-to-day transactions and flow of money. Next question is study. Study here means, why is it important to study finance? We need to know and understand finance because it is not only prepare us for careers in finance, but also helps us in day-to-day financial management and analysis. So now let's go to the next section, that is types of finances. Finances can be broadly classified into four branches, which is first, personal finance. Personal finance means the daily utilization of finance by an individual and households. Second, banking. Banking here means the financial transactions undertaken by the banking institution. These includes money lending, accepting deposits, merchant banking, etc. Third, corporates. Business houses also undertake various financial transactions such as routine day-to-day transactions, raising capital, borrowings, advances, and many such others. Fourth, governments. Federal and state governments also conduct financial transactions such as collection of taxes, provide subsidies, public expenditure, and etc. Now, since we know basics and broad classifications, let's understand from where these finances come from. Means, let's see the sources. Out of many sources, there are 5 main sources which we shall see in this slide. First, retained earnings. Retained earnings means the accumulated profits over the period of time which are utilized in the business again. Second, capital markets. It means money raised by issue of equity and preference shares in the primary market, which is the first time issue, or secondary market, which is through stock markets. These even include personal money introduced in the business. Third, bank finance. Bank finance are short-term or long-term loans taken from banks for business or personal purposes. Fourth, subsidies. These are financial supports given primarily by governments to help businesses in specific sectors. They can also be in forms of rewards or discounts. Fifth, corporate loans. These are the money raised by businesses in the form of loans. They are called by different names such as bonds, debentures, or deposits. These can be secured or unsecured and could be for short-term, long-term, or perpetual term. It can be raised by private placement or public issue. Now, since we know fundamentals of finance, let's see the opportunities which are available to financial professionals. Each area of opportunity will require specialized knowledge and qualifications. First, retail banking, accountancy and tax, management consultancy, corporate law, compliance and risk, accrual, insurance, trading, fund management, and investment. These are some of the many opportunities. We have now understood the basic of finance, and we shall look at accounts and accountancy in the next video. Thank you for your patient listening. If you liked the video, kindly like and subscribe my channel. And if you have any questions and doubts, kindly comment below. Suggestions and recommendations are welcome. Signing off. Thank you.